G'day folks, well today I have come to Hungry Jack's. They got a brand new burger, the Quarter Deluxe. I think it could be a rip-off from the McDonald's Quarter Pounder, but it looks a whole lot better. So how about we hit the drive-thru and order one? Alright, here we go.
Hi, please place your order when you're ready.
Can I please have a Quarter Deluxe?
Yeah, would you like that one in a meal today?
Just on its own, thanks.
Anything else for today?
That's all, thank you.
40 drive-through when you're ready.
Thank you. $7.40. Oh, that sounds like it could be some good value. Or bad value. I don't know yet. I haven't seen it. But I'll soon find out.
There you go.
Hi.
40, thank you.
Great, thank you. Alrighty, well here we go. The Quarter Deluxe. Let's go check this bad boy out. Come on! Now I've brought the scales today. Let's see how much it weighs. 208 grams. That's 0.458 of a pound. Well, that's nearly half a pound, so I'm pretty sure there must be a quarter of a pound of that of meat. Well, at least I hope so. Anyway, let's suss this burger out. Alright. Okay. Alright, well, here it is. So, what's on it? Well, it's not the biggest burger in the world. It's pretty tiny. Sort of like their cheeseburger size. But what's underneath? Alright, so we got a bun with like some mayo, and it could be mustard and sauce. There's a plethora of things. I've got pickles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's good. That's what it looked like on the ad. Lots of sauce. I got some onions and cheese. I got a piece of meat, some more cheese, some more meat, and that's it. $7.40 for that? I think I would probably prefer a Whopper, but I still haven't tasted it yet, so let's have a go. Oh man, I love the taste of that flame grilled beef. Haven't had some HJs for a long time. That's what she said. And I missed it. First bite, beautiful. I love the raw onion in there. It's got so much cheesy goodness as well. It's loaded full of sauce. It tastes really good. 4 pickles as well. What more do you want? Let me just try this, because I mean there's bits of sauce and bits of yellow and bits of all different colours there. Mustard, yeah. Bit of a different additive to a burger. Well, one of the Hungry Jack's ones at least, and tastes pretty good. Yum. Got to go in again. Oh, that tastes so good, man. So cheesy, so saucy. This would be perfect hangover food, this. I'm chewing on the meat. It's like meat chewing gum, but it is dissolving. It just tastes so nice. And that raw onion. I know Gordon doesn't like raw onion on a burger, but I tell you what, I do. I love it. Now, I've only had 3 mouthfuls and it's nearly all gone, so it's sort of a 5-bite burger, which isn't too good for $7.40, I tell you. But it's just got that Whopper taste. It tastes just like your typical Hungry Jack's burger. The meat's great, the cheese is good, the bun's fresh, plenty of sauce and plenty of cheese. What more do you want? I tell you what, I want another one of these. But would I get one? Well, let's find out when I give it a score out of 10. Flavour-wise, well, it tastes really nice. I'm really enjoying it. The flavour's just exactly what I expected it to be. Typical HJs, really tasty. Price-wise, way over the top. I actually think I would prefer to do something else, I'll tell you soon. But yeah, a little bit over the top in price, but still better than that Red Rooster for about the same price. Oh, I think I'd be getting one of these over that. But for an all-over value, all-over flavour, all-over taste, all-over everything price for this burger, Hungry Jack's, I'm giving you 7 out of 10. Tastes really good, but it's just that little bit too expensive, I reckon. Where I could probably go and get a Whopper with cheese or some sort of value meal for the same price. In fact, what I would do is they've got a cheesy cheeseburger at $2. I'd rather get 3 or 4 of those. It'd be stacked this high and you'd be as full as a goog and have fed 2 to 4 people, or 1 if you're a bit of a guts. And that's what I'd be doing, the cheesy cheeseburger over this. But it's still really tasty and I'm really enjoying it. Have you tried the new Hungry Jack's Quarter Deluxe? What do you think about it? Just tastes like all their other burgers, doesn't it? But luckily, most of their other burgers taste pretty good. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat something. Catch you then. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this is